Today, I want to talk to you about how to use YouTube to grow and scale your business. The exact process, YouTube growth and monetization process that you must go through in order to grow and scale your business. With that said, let me kind of lay the framework for why YouTube is such a powerful tool to do exactly that. You see, most platforms, when you put content on them, most social media platforms today, when you put content on them, they perform progressively worse over time. You do a Facebook Live, only for a few days will you get some audience. Maybe you can pay for ads to boost it, but eventually it'll fall to the bottom. Nobody's going to watch it anymore. And it's like a talk show. It went live on TV today, but gone tomorrow, right? Instagram, same thing. Your pictures that were here today, that you posted a year ago, nobody is actually really actively involved with them. Your stories, they expire after 24 hours. YouTube, on the other hand, is the platform where your content actually grows. The power of your content grows exponentially over time. The longer that content has been there and the better the content is, the more you will get traffic. It is the second most website behind Google and the largest search engine right after Google. So YouTube is the biggest search engine, and you have to take that framework into consideration as you're stepping into YouTube. Remember, if you learn how to optimize your videos for YouTube in the way YouTube would like you to, then they will reward you by sending you a lot of traffic consistently across the board to you. So YouTube's algorithms are designed to make people watch more of those videos. So the more you create videos that are high quality and targeted to your keywords, the higher the chances that your videos are going to rank higher and higher, and people are going to watch, people are going to learn from you, and as a result, people are going to buy from you. We use this exact same strategy to build 2000 books. A lot of 2000 books was built on the back of YouTube. YouTube is a forever content library in some ways, and it keeps working for you when you have stopped working on that video for a very long period of time. In fact, the videos that perform the best even today are videos that we had created 5 years ago. That is the magic of YouTube. The work that I had done 5 years ago, it's still getting searched for. People are still finding it. People are still watching those videos. People are still subscribing to our channel as a result of those videos and becoming our customers as a result of those videos. You see, when you compare that to other marketing channels like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, these are ephemeral marketing channels. The content is here today, gone tomorrow. This is one of the most important things I teach my coaching clients. YouTube is a forever content library. The content sits there and grows and grows. It grows in value over time, while the content depreciates in value on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Think of Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn as marketing channels per se for your content, and think of YouTube as a library, a forever library of your content where you have the opportunity to not only educate but also market your business. But the key difference is it's not ephemeral. It's forever. The content stays there forever. Really, really, really important to get. Okay. With that said, let me explain the process that Russell lays out in this book, Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson. I love all the work, all of Russell's books, Expert Secrets, .com Secrets, now Traffic Secrets. So here's the process. The first key is to create a list of keyword phrases that you want to rank for. Identify those keywords that you want your business to rank for. For example, 2000 books. Maybe it's book summaries. Like, I want to rank for good to great book summary, or I want to rank for Think and Grow Rich book summary, or I want to rank for Build to Last book summary, or any of those. We find those keywords that we want to rank for. And the trick is to find a lot of keywords that you can choose from. And there's a really simple hack. The way to do that is to type the search term in your YouTube search bar, and then start, like, let's say how to make money is the keyword you are going after, the broad keyword. But what you want to do is you want to look at the suggested searches that YouTube is throwing at you. So when you type how to make money, and don't press enter just yet. As soon as you as soon as you tap how to make money, YouTube will show you a bunch of results right below, or not results, but bunch of suggested search items right below. And that's where you'll find gold. You'll see how to find money, how to make money as a blogger, how to make money as a YouTuber, how to make money as a kid, how to make money as a podcaster, and so on and so forth. Your job is to go through these keywords, find these keywords that are relevant to your business, and create a repository of these keywords, because you want to rank for these keywords. That's step number one. Before we jump into the video, I just want to tell you about our special Black Friday deal for entrepreneurs. If you are interested in grabbing the summaries of the 100 greatest books on starting, growing, and scaling your business, which is basically a combination of our entrepreneurship pack and our marketing book summaries pack. And not only that, there are 4 live masterclasses included in it. Just go to 2000books.com/business and enter the coupon code BF2020. That's the Black Friday deal. This is $902 in value that I'm giving away for a really discounted rate. So check it out. There's a content marketing millions masterclass, 6-figure affiliate deals masterclass, YouTube cash machine masterclass, 6-figure email marketing masterclass. I'll be teaching all of these classes live. Not only that, you get access to 12 months of our Business Builders Book Club, where you get to come together with other like-minded entrepreneurs and discuss great business books. Every month there's a new book that you will be discussing. So if you're interested in all of that, head on over to 2000books.com/business and grab a super Black Friday discount on this Business Builders pack. Just make sure to use the coupon code BF2020, BF2020. All right, guys. Step number 2 is to create videos and get them ranked for your dream keywords, because this will serve you for the rest of your life. The YouTube search engine will keep working, and your job is to start by consistently publishing keyword-based videos and try to rank them. So the key here to create impactful videos on YouTube is to make them discoverable. And the goal is to hook people who are searching and try to make them your subscribers. This is where you're not trying to sell them, but this is where you're just trying to make them subscribers of your channel, and trying to take traffic. Instead of random people watching your YouTube videos, you want them to become subscribers of your channel. And you want to grab people's attention and drive traffic into your channel and make them subscribers. So these are the discoverable videos. These are the videos that people are searching for, and you rank for them, and people find you, and now they subscribe to your channel as a result. Now, not only will you publish these videos, you'll optimize those videos. You will optimize the thumbnails. You'll create a hook for your thumbnails. You'll optimize the titles, what precise title you're going to use in order to get people's attention. Not only that, the descriptions. How exactly will you put the descriptions to get people's attention and also get them to click on your call to action? For example, for thumbnail, you want a visual hook and you want something compelling in the thumbnail that gets people's attention so that they will be attracted to that thumbnail. Maybe you clicked on this because you saw the book Expert Secrets, and then you saw the title of the thumbnail, the title on the thumbnail. And we're constantly testing the thumbnail titles, or thumbnails actually, at our end. So the thumbnail that we publish this video with over time might change. And that's the key. We're constantly testing to figure out what's the best thumbnail hook there that gets people to watch the video. And YouTube gives you data on how often people are clicking on those thumbnails. We'll get to that in a minute. Not only that, titles. Write titles with focus on 2 key elements. Keywords, they should have the keywords, and not only that, it should sell the click. It should have a hook that gets them to click. Also, your descriptions. You should contain your keywords and your descriptions, like they should be in the keyword. Also, subscription link to your front end funnels, link to any other released related YouTube videos or playlists that you have. And also you want calls to action and screen cards, all those things. So a lot of great insights on how to optimize your videos. Now you want to release the video on a schedule, and then step 5 is to get people to watch the videos as soon as you posted them, especially if you own your own email list or your fans or followers or whatever way you have. Maybe maybe you have a list of 1,000 people. Just send it out to them. These are your top fans. They're likely to watch these videos, like them, comment them, share them. And the more people watch your videos early on, the more YouTube is likely to think that this video is really good, because the longer people watch your video, the more YouTube thinks this is a great video. And they're likely to suggest it to other people as well. And you start ranking for those videos. Now, I'm giving you broad ideas here. To get into detail, it's a lot more detailed than these broad ideas, but this is a good starting point for anyone who wants to use YouTube to grow their business. Step 6 is to focus on your statistics and to improve them. Click-through rate is one of the statistics that's really powerful, because this is to see how often your thumbnails are displayed and how often are people clicking on it. So if 100 people, if your thumbnail is, if your video is presented to 100 people, how many people click on that thumbnail? Your benchmark for click-through rate, 4% is acceptable, 6% is good, 9% is great. Of course, there's a lot more that comes into play on click-through rate, but you need to constantly work. You need to constantly test to improve your click-through rate. That means you need to constantly test your thumbnails to get the best possible click-through rate. Not only that, your retention. Your first minute of retention is really important, and you need to keep the first minute retention above 70% to really get people to hook and to get them to watch. So it's important to get that retention right. And not only that, you also need the overall retention. You really need to get above 50%. That's when YouTube really will share your video with the world. So for example, if it's a 10-minute video, you want on the average 50%, as in 5 minutes. On the average, people should watch that video for 5 minutes. Not only that, the initial retention, you want on the average 70% of the people still to be watching after the first minute. And you can find all those details in your YouTube dashboard. Really important to understand. And over time, you will be able to monitor this data and improve on it. The next step, playlists. Create playlists so that people are watching more of your videos. Like create bingeable playlists so people will watch more and more of these videos of yours. And the next step, step 8, is to sell your product or services using what Russell calls video webinars. These are not necessarily the videos that you are targeting for keywords per se. These are not videos that will rank for SEO. They are not necessarily videos that will bring you a lot of new subscribers. Instead, these are videos that are for your existing subscribers that get them to buy. And the outline for these videos is initially you hook them with a very specific intro with a very specific reason why they should continue to watch. Then there is a trailer. Then there's an intro of, maybe you tell them, give a gist of the story, make connection, and tell them why they should listen for the next 15, 30 seconds or a minute. Then you give them the content, and then you make an offer to your call to action. Sometimes it is to go buy something from you. Sometimes it is to go grab your lead magnet, whatever it might be. Hook, intro, story, offer. This is a very simple framework, and this is a very oft repeated framework. A lot of people will use this in their videos to get attention, to get people to come buy stuff from them. So that's your process, the 8-step process to really start thinking about YouTube growth and monetization. I gave you a kind of a crash course here that's, from this book, from Traffic Secrets, but we go into much more detail in our coaching programs. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel, there is a strategy called the Dream 100. We talked about this Dream 100 strategy previously, Dream 50 strategy in another book summary that I did, or another book idea that I did called The Entrepreneur Roller Coaster. You can check it out from our previous videos. But your Dream 100, you want to leverage those in order to grow your YouTube. Now, what is Dream 100? Dream 100 are the channels with similar target audience as yours, channels that you want to target, channels who have similar audiences as you. And there are various ways in which you can work with your Dream 100. You can buy ads to show in front of their existing videos. You can collaborate with them. For example, at 2000 Books, our videos have shown up on Simple Program, on Evan Carmichael's channel, on Real Men, Real Style, Bulldog Mindset, and a whole bunch of other channels. Why do we do that? Because if our videos show up there, people like our videos, they come and we get new subscribers as a result of people watching our videos on their channels. So it's a win-win for everyone. They get to have new kind of content on their channel, while our content shows up and builds audience for us as well. So collaborations are great. And another way is to buy your way in. Now, this is a powerful way. What you can do is find videos that are getting a lot of views, but where the video creator doesn't really know how to make money from those views, and you reach out to them, you talk to them, you maybe pay them to put links for your lead magnet for your offers there. And as people buy your product, you pay them a commission, an affiliate link. Or you can pay people to create a video and post it on their channel. Or you can pay them to let you put a playlist with a video series on their channel. Or you can pay them to put a video of yours on their channel. There's a lot of different ways to buy your way into different people's channels to grow your channel. This Dream 100 strategy on YouTube goes very, very, very deep. There's a lot of different ways in which you can do that. And if you are interested in growing your online business, if you are an online creator, if you are interested in taking your business to 6 figures, I have my 6-figure mastermind called the 6-figure accelerator. And if you're interested in growing your business using the power of YouTube, if you're a content creator, expert, influencer, thought leader, you've seen us build 2,000 books using the power of YouTube. And if that is at all your thing, check it out by going to 2000books.com/coaching. Check out our mastermind, and maybe I'll see you in there. So if you're an entrepreneur, I have a special Black Friday deal for you on our Business Builders Pack. Now, what's the Business Builders Pack? Literally, it is actionable knowledge from the 100 greatest books on starting, growing, and scaling your business. Whether it's about finding your idea, starting the business, entrepreneurial mindset, business systems, business strategy, lifestyle entrepreneurship, management, scaling, billionaire biographies, marketing, all those books. Every book, I've broken it down to very specific ideas that you can apply. And you can check out the videos by going to 2000books.com/business. And if you are interested in the Black Friday deal, let me tell you about it. By the way, check out some of the books. These are the greatest books I have ever read on building a business, starting, growing, and building a business. And these are all summarized in the Business Builders Pack. Books on ideation, on strategy, on innovation, books on systems, on execution, on teams, on scaling your business, on billion-dollar business lessons, on lifestyle entrepreneurship, on entrepreneurial mindset, on management, on pricing, on business models, on advertising. These are all, not only are these books, not only have I summarized the entrepreneurship books, but also marketing books, advertising, branding, copywriting, direct response marketing fundamentals, marketing strategy, systems, automation, online, social media marketing, growth hacking, everything you can think of when it comes to starting and growing your online business and scaling it. So what's included in this Business Builders Pack is my entrepreneurship book summary pack, which is valued at $79, my marketing and branding book summary pack, which sells right now online for $79. Not only that, I have the live masterclass where I will come together with one of my friends, and we'll teach you how to build a content marketing business. It's called Content Marketing Millions Masterclass, valued at $99. Another live masterclass that I'll be teaching is how to put together 6-figure affiliate deals. That's a masterclass valued at $99. YouTube Cash Machine, another masterclass I'll be teaching live at $99. And 6-figure email marketing masterclass valued at $99. All of this is included in the Business Builders Pack, 2000books.com/business. And not only that, the best part about all of this is I'm giving you 1-year membership into the Business Builders Book Club, 12 months, which is $29 a month. So the total price of that is $348. This is where you come together. It's not really effective when you are reading these books in isolation. What you really need is to come together with other like-minded entrepreneurs to be able to discuss these ideas so that you can really apply them. You can develop what's called high-order thinking skills. Low-order thinking skills are acquired through reading and just trying to remember, highlight a book, read a book, remember the book. But high-order thinking skills are derived, or you build high-order thinking skills when you analyze the ideas with other teams, with other people. You discuss these ideas, you evaluate these ideas with other people, you discuss, and then you create something out of it. That's why I've put together this Business Builders Book Club, so you can come together with other entrepreneurs to talk about these books. Jeff Bezos literally runs his own executive book club at Amazon, where he discusses great books with his other executives. And that's why I want this book club for you guys. It's not normally $29 a month, $348 a year. So all of this combined is in this Business Builders Pack. Total value of the book summaries and the master classes and the 1 year of book club is $902. But for Black Friday, just enter the coupon code BF 2020, Black Friday 2020. That is BF 2020 to get a huge discount on this. Go to 2000books.com/business and get this $902 in value for a great discount. Just enter the coupon code BF2020. That's Black Friday deal that I'm offering right now. The deal will go away soon, so go ahead and grab it. All right, guys. See you inside the book club. See you inside the Business Builders pack. And I look forward to helping you grow your business.